I wanted to do some jumbo twists, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you want them to look like this and not like this, let me show you how. So the key is the grip. Like you got to have a good grip. I'm actually going to redo this one over. There's so many different ways that you could do it. Like with this, started it off as a braid, but I decided that I didn't want to do that no more. This is going to be beginner friendly. Like we're trying to do extremely lazy methods. Okay. So I am actually going to moisturize my hair. This is what I'm using to moisturize my hair. I'm just separating this into two. I'm using somewhat big pieces because it's jumbo twist. And so you just take it, fit it in between your hair. Get a rubber band. Go ahead, put the rubber band on. And then just to tighten it just a little bit, I take one side of each. And like I said, it's really about the grip. So I like to twist one side first, bring it over, twist the other side while maintaining a good grip on this. Let me come a little closer. So twist, twist one side, twist together, twist one side, twist together, one side together. So you're just gonna maintain that grip all the way down. And you see how this one is less hair than what's right here. So I'm just gonna borrow some hair and twist that one side together. I'm probably gonna stop right here because I'm curling my ends and I'm just taking a rubber band and securing the ends. And it is gonna unravel some, but you see how it's nice and juicy and it's not as loose as it was before. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, show y'all the finished result.